I need space on the beat.
Yes, sir. Want to work on that beat today. Riley. So the shit won't blow away. We had installed the chain back on there, but we about to take it back off so we could clean all the old gaskets and shit off real good. Then we're gonna put it back on. Still waiting on the push rods. That's the last thing that's holding us up, and he said something about a cover for the water pump, so gotta get that too. And some new door handles. Well, really just one, but might as well get a pair. Interior. Blue seats, man. Blue everything. Bunch of parts in the back. Alright, y'all. We're gonna get to work. I'm gonna turn the camera back on when we make some progress. Did you put it in there right? Wrong. That means it's not right. Oh, maybe it is not. Yes, sir. So we got the chain on. Now we just torquing everything to specifications. Bam. Yes, ma'am, we gonna get you a ride. How she gonna say she ready to ride and she don't want us to give her a ride? Man, my the best tea, I'm telling y'all, bro. Ooh, how you know that? Taylor, you smelled the food. How long? Where you went on the adventure to? Oh. Bro, can you pour me some tea? My hand not clean.
My hand not clean either. I just stand here. Straight off work.
Touche. No, this is my cup right here.
Ain't gonna be no more.
Nah, don't fill it up. I just need enough to cover up this, like, the little Yeti sign. Cause that tea make crankshaft bolt. It should be in the bag with the crankshaft bolt. Oh nah, that ain't that. That's definitely in there. I put it in a fresh Ziploc. That ain't go right there. Don't put it out. There's only two bolts. There's only two type of bolts in there. The crankshaft bolt and the timing cover bolts. Ooh, he on her ass in that bitch. Don't beat up, Chinese man. They been not getting on. I seen them cutting up the other day. Meow, meow. That's it. I say, ooh, dee. But it wasn't bad though. It was just spicy. She went in the crib on that part. Forward and down. Push the front part up and pull it down on the back of it.
Push it that way?
Not push it, but just push up from the front of it. Yeah.
And do what?
And pull it down. Pull the back part down, but tilt the front of it up. Goddamn spider. Yes, Starsky. We get in the idle arm off so we can drop the steering rack. You can kind of see it is right there. Drop the steering rack so we can pull the oil pin all the way out. Just waiting on space to get underneath the car and pull the pin out. And we should be pretty good. I heard it pretty much fall. All he should be doing is grabbing that thing.
Shit, that hole already filled out.
Yep. This guy sounding like an old man. Yes, sir, Ski.
We got it. Dirty.
Ain't dirty, that's the water that we cleaned the top of the block and shit with.
Yeah.
No metal shavings or nothing in there, it's just prime time dirt.
Shit, it ain't, right?
No. Just prime time dirt, man.